Hey everyone, this is Charles with My Tennessee Home Solution. In this video, I'm going to go over and discuss if you're currently considering selling your home fast and as is, and with that, you probably have some concerns about what that potential financial impact of selling your house as is going to be. And the truth is, regardless of how you sell, if you were to sell your home as is, it's going to lead to a decrease in its full market value simply because it's not going to be renovated to its maximum potential. And so while the most common home sale method is going through the traditional real estate market, taking it to market using an agent, many sellers are wanting to sell as is. And they do that because they find the process of potential renovations, the agent commissions, the fees, the closing costs, the possible concessions, and just the annoyance would bring the overall return on a home sale even lower than its genuine market value. And so cash home buyers, on the other hand, that is where they can help homeowners wanting to sell as is and avoid all those additional costs and still offer a fair cash offer on the seller's timeline based on the value of the home without doing any repairs. And so let's just define what selling a house as is even means. So when you decide to sell your house as is, it's meaning that you're putting the property on the market in its present condition, deliberately avoiding any repairs or renovations. Again, this is very common. This approach can be particularly beneficial because you're seeking a speedy sale, and it's going to save from potential inconvenience of had and costs associated with fixing up the property even before listing it or maybe during escrow when you're getting repair requests. It also makes it very clear to any buyer that they should not expect repair requests to be made. Keep in mind, though, if a buyer obtains traditional financing, such as FHA, VA, or just a conventional loan, the seller would still need to make any repairs that the appraiser deems necessary in order for the buyer to close on the home. So it's not necessarily getting out of any repairs altogether, just something to keep in mind. So for us at My Tennessee Home Solution, we specialize in expediting the selling process. Our focus is ensuring smooth and efficient experience for our homeowners like you that wanted to sell as is. And we understand the unique needs of individuals looking to sell quickly and while also providing a personalized solution that's tailored to this specific situation. With that, we do take a people-first approach. We aim to build trust and handle those complexities of the selling process just to allow you to focus on transitioning to your next chapter. Houses are houses, and that's how we see it. We want to focus on how we're able to help you sell the home. And so when you're faced with that dilemma, whether to invest in those repairs or sell the property as is, it's very critical to dedicate a lot of time and consideration into it, analyzing what the home is currently conditioned for right now. What are those costs? What could you sell for on the market? What are the other homes looking like? And also just understanding that right now buyers are a bit pickier due to the interest rates. And so you should plan to sell, if you're to take it to market, to have a longer days on market before it will sell. And so, on the opposite side of that, if you are looking to have a hassle-free, headache-free, not having to worry about any of that, then again, the cash home buyers like My Tennessee Home Solution, we specialize in this stuff. It's where we come in. We'll buy the home as is, just taking the convenience factor, to the top degree here. And so you can get a guaranteed sale, close much faster than taking it to market, and then just also having more tailored and customized plan of action that's provided for you from our team. And so if you're wanting to sell the home as is, convenient, avoiding the fees, the commissions, the construction reports, closing costs, legal fees, there's so much of it, then just get in touch with us now and you can explore those options and take those first steps towards achieving a seamless and stress-free home sale. Many people reach out to us because they do prioritize the speed and convenience, and they just want to work with a team that they can trust, that they know is going to get the job done. So don't let the complexity to selling the house hold you back. Let us worry about that and make a plan for you. And we'll be able to guide you through that. Thank you.
Buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.